Good morning, everyone. My name is Zia, and I make videos about full-time nomad life in my shuttle bus. As my regular viewers know, I'm not in my shuttle bus for the next almost couple of months, except for some work that I want to do in it. I'm house sitting for my sister, and luckily I have her car to drive around in now too. Well, we are well and truly into the autumn season here in southwestern British Columbia. Thought I should get out and get a bit of fresh air, and I thought I'd take you on a little walk with me through, I don't think I've taken you in this area before, but yeah, so come along, let's go on a little walk and see if we can see some fall colors and just enjoy the outdoors. One of the local seaplanes coming in. This is the West Dyke Trail. I think I've mentioned before that we are kind of like Holland here in that there is a dike system that runs all the way around Richmond. We are below sea level. We're not going to take this path that's just directly ahead of me here. We're going to go back down here and walk in amongst these trees. It's a really pretty pathway. At the end of this path and across the one arm of the Fraser River is Vancouver International Airport. And I know you can probably hear the planes, but when you're in here, you don't feel like you're anywhere close to a city or a major international airport. Yeah, there's acres of just natural pathways here. I really love it. This week I'm going to show you a solution I came up with for some extra storage at some extra space I found at the foot of my bed. So let me show you that. But this is the space I'm talking about. Now that little dish is there because I have a very slow drip coming from up here, but that's about to be fixed. So I have about 12 inches of space here and about 48 inches in length. And yesterday I went to IKEA to see if they might have a solution. At first I had thought about a narrow bookshelf that I could put some trim along the edge at the front of the shelves and put some baskets on. And then I thought, no, maybe I could find a cabinet or something that I could lay on its back and have the door on it hinge up. And then I would have all this space across the foot of my bed where I could perhaps keep all of my clothes and have easier access to them than I do under the bed in those drawers. And I think I've come up with the perfect solution. I'm gonna put a little clip of the when I found this in IKEA, and then I'll unbox this. So I'm in IKEA and I'm looking for a storage solution for the foot of my bed. Let me show you what I found. I think this may be the perfect solution. I love the texture of this. I may stain it a bit darker because I have a lot of darker wood in the bus. I need to maybe put some hinges on the lid. It's loose right now. But the legs are recessed. It's the perfect height to clear the mattress. It's a perfect depth and width. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a great solution. Look at all that space inside for me to keep all of my clothing in, and probably a few extra things like some extra bedding as well. The other thing I like about it is that because it's made of a natural woven material, it will breathe. It won't hold moisture in, so I don't have to worry about keeping my clothes in there. Yep, I think I found the perfect solution. So this is the box. It's not too heavy. It was awkward, but let's get this unpacked. Now what I'm hoping is that these legs will clear the mattress and the box will fit in there. So fingers crossed. Let's see. Oh my God, they clear it by about an inch. I think it's going to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to put it together and put it in place and then I'll show you. It's going to be an easy install. The holes are already in this piece and in the bottom part of the storage basket. And it just comes with these bolts and one of the Allen wrenches that IKEA always includes. So this is going to be easy. I won't bore you with that. Yay! It works! I'm thrilled with that. So it fits perfectly. And as you can see, the legs basically help it clear the mattress because the actual basket itself is too deep. And look at all this storage. Yeah, let's see if I can. That's going to hold so much. I think I have quite a lot of packing cubes for travel. And I think I'm going to put my clothes in the packing tubes and then stack them inside that that little chest at the foot of the bed. I don't know what made me go to IKEA. I just had a feeling there was going to be the perfect thing there. I had been looking on Facebook Marketplace at antique chests and old wicker chests and things, but they were all too wide. And walking through IKEA, I came across that one. Put a little bit of dark stain on that so that it ties in better with some of the other dark elements like the walnut. But I'll see once I get the space all tidied up. Well, that's going to be it for me today. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you're liking the videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because it makes a huge difference. And the more people that subscribe and comment and like, the more other people will get to see the videos too. And I'd really appreciate that so much. As always, wherever you are in our incredibly beautiful world, I hope you're having a really wonderful day, and I'm going to say bye-bye for now. I love you all, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye. How pretty the sky is tonight.